In this question, you have to identify the statements that are true for spermatogenesis but do not hold true for oogenesis. Statement A, it results in the formation of haploid gametes. Now, in both spermatogenesis and oogenesis, haploid gametes are formed, so it is true for both. Statement B, differentiation of gamete occurs after the completion of meiosis. Now, the spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa by the process of spermiogenesis. Hence, B is true only for spermatogenesis. Statement C, meiosis occurs continuously in a mitotically dividing stem cell population. Now, it is true for spermatogenesis only, as meiosis occurs continuously in a mitotically dividing stem cell population, that is spermatogonia in males. In contrast, oogenesis starts in fetal life and halts at prophase 1 until puberty, with no continuous meiosis in the female stem cell population. Statement D, it is controlled by the luteinizing hormone, that is LH, and follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH, secreted by the anterior pituitary. Now, both spermatogenesis and oogenesis are controlled by LH and FSH. Statement E, it is initiated at puberty. Now, it is true only for spermatogenesis, as spermatogenesis is a continuous process that begins at puberty. Now, oogenesis, on the other hand, begins during embryonic development of the female. Hence, the correct answer is option C. Options A, B, and D are incorrect, as these includes incorrect combinations.